So we just got a snowstorm where I live, and it is crazy out there with the amount of slush and snow and just cold basically that's out there. So I'm enjoying myself with Nutella hot chocolate, or how some people might call it, hot gianduja. Now, there's some similarities between gianduja, which is Italian for a chocolate spread with finely ground hazelnuts, and that might be a more commonly known type of drink in that region. But basically North America, a hazelnut spread is usually a Nutella spread because that's the most popular type, and that's what I'm using over here. But I'm sure like the flavors would differ based on the type of gianduja that you are using. Regardless, whatever you're using, this drink will be incredibly quick to put together to really warm you up. The ingredient set is really short, and the baker's torch is completely optional but totally recommended. You want to first start by adding in your milk into a saucepan and then add in your Nutella. Now, of course, you don't need any extra sweetener in there. You'd be crazy to add more because there's enough sweetener in the Nutella. Gently whisk it all together as you bring that milk up to a steam. It should take you between 8 to 10 minutes to bring it up to temp, after which you can add in your vanilla and a tiny pinch of salt. Now you can see the milk is steaming really well. There's a tiny layer of foam on the top, and I just usually wait until it just starts to simmer. You don't want to scald the milk, you don't want to overheat the Nutella because, well, scalding can burn the milk, giving your hot gianduja or hot Nutella hot chocolate a bitter kind of taste. But if you cook that Nutella too much, we're cooking Nutella, well, you're gonna cause it to separate the different components that make the Nutella. So your oil, your sugar, your cocoa can turn bitter. Don't want to do that. Keep it gentle, and you want to get that drink in your hands quicker, right? So once you get that, pour that in your cups, top it with your marshmallows, and then have some fun with that baker's torch. Of course, be careful, but have fun with it too. And I'm gonna lightly toast one of them, but extra toast the other one. And I just love how it melts on the top. And stay warm, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.